Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is determinants of demand. Demand function shows the relationship between demand for a commodity and its various determinants. It shows how demand for a commodity is related to price of the commodity or income of the consumer or other determinants. Following are some of the determinants of the demand. First is price. The price of the commodity is an important factor which influences our demand. If the price of the commodity falls, it will attract more consumers, and if the price of the commodity rises, it will restrict their numbers. Second determinant of demand is price of related goods. These include two types of goods. First is substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods which can be substituted to each other. For example, tea and coffee. In case of such goods, increase in the price of one good will cause increase in demand of other good and vice versa. Increase in the price of coffee, for example, will increase the demand for tea. The consumer will shift from the consumption of coffee to the consumption of tea. Second is complementary goods. These are those goods which complete the demand for each other and are demanded together. For example, car and petrol. In case of complementary goods, a fall in the price of one good causes increase in the demand of other good, and rise in the price of one causes decrease in the demand for other. Third determinant of demand is income of the people. Income of the people also influences the demand for the different goods. If the income of the people is high, his demand will increase because they will purchase more goods, and if their income is low, their demand will decrease because they will purchase less goods. Fourth determinant is season and climate. In winter season, more woolen goods are demanded, whereas in summer, more cotton clothes and fans will be demanded. Fifth is taste and preferences. The demand for goods and services depends on consumers' taste and preferences. These are used in broad sense. They include fashion, habit, custom, etc. And sixth determinant of demand is expectations. If the consumer expects that price in future will rise, he will buy more quantity in present at the existing price. Likewise, if he hopes that price in future will fall, he will buy less quantity in present or may even postpone his demand. These were few determinants of demand. Thank you.